Here's step-by-step guide how to create XcelPay wallet account on your phone. So, first of all, find your App Store on iPhone, or if you're using Android, open Google Play. And after that, tap on search icon and type in here XcelPay crypto and scroll down until you find this application right here. And after that, just tap on get button right here, confirmation, and wait installation. And now I'm gonna tap on open button right here, allow to send notification and get started. Okay, next, and next. So now you can create a new wallet or import wallet if you already have it. But I'm gonna tap on new wallet. Okay, your wallet name it's CG or next. So I understand. Copy this seed phrase but do not share your seed phrase with anyone. And after that, tap on create my wallet. Wait a couple of seconds. Type in your PIN code and again. Do you wanna to enable Face ID? Yes. Okay. That's it. I hope it helps. You can watch this video or this playlist about XcelPay wallet.